Hi guys, today I'm gonna be doing a cake which is easy to do it while you are bored at home. So before we begin, don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video for all of your friends so you help them not get bored at home. It's easy for even the kids and middle and high school to do it, so you could waste your time. And before we begin, we have to wear the stuff for the cooking so we don't get dirty. So let's wear them. So now I'm going to wear it. Okay, and now I'm gonna tell you the ingredients of the easy cake. So we have 3 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 1 tablespoon of baking powder, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. We have half a cup of butter and half a cup of oil in the same bowl, and 6 eggs and cocoa powder. And now we're gonna start by putting the 3 eggs in then put the vanilla. We have to make sure that it's mixed really well. After it's mixed well, we're gonna stop it and put the sugar. Mixed really well again. And after it's mixed really well, we're gonna stop it and put the butter and the oil. And then mix it. Okay, I'm sorry, we forgot we have 1 cup of milk. So after we finish with the butter and the oil, we're gonna stop it and add the 1 cup of milk. And then mix it really well again. And now I'm gonna stop it. And we will add the vanilla to the baking powder to the flour. And mix it that way. Okay, and then we're gonna add it to the mix little by little, not like all at one time. A little bit. Mix those. Okay, we're gonna mix those and then continue with the others when this is mixed. And we have to do it on a low speed. And then we're gonna put the rest. Okay, and take your turn 3 times. And on a low speed. Okay, and then we're gonna put the third part, all of it. Okay, and then now we're gonna mix this. So today I'm going to do the cake, half white and half with chocolate. So I'm not going to do one with chocolate and white with vanilla only. I'm going to put the vanilla part and then on it chocolate, and then the other one I'm going to do a chocolate part and then vanilla, so it's half. And so why we do that, how we do that, after I finish the white, I'm gonna put half of it in a bowl. And then I'm gonna put half of it on a bowl, and then I do the chocolate one and put in it half. I put it in the bowl, and then in the thing of the cake, we're gonna put the white and then the chocolate. Okay, and this is how we do it. So now we have to get the flour from it down there because it got stuck here. Then mix it again. Okay, and now the white cake is done, so I'm gonna stop it. Put half of it in the bowl. Put half of it in the bowl. So now the half of the white is done. Then I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons of chocolate powder. It doesn't have to be 2 tablespoons, but you see the color you like. 2 tablespoons. Mix it and see if it's good for that. Also see here, it has to have some kind of bubbles. If you see here, it has to have some kind of bubbles. So we're gonna wait for it. Okay, and now I'm gonna put the middle of it, or the half of it, the other half of it into the bowl too. Okay, Okay, and after we put them to okay, and now we are done with putting them. So now this is the final step. We're gonna put some butter in the plate like that. The other one too. Okay. I'm going to put first the white or half of it. Okay. Now we're gonna put chocolate. We're gonna put another. The chocolate. Okay. I'm gonna put in the final layer. And then I'm gonna do this one and then come back to you. Okay, and I'm done with putting the other one. And from the start, before we start making the cake, we made it on 180 degrees, as you see. And now we're gonna put it in the oven for from 45 minutes to 50 minutes. See you after. And now I'm going to do the timer on 40 minutes. And after 40 minutes, we're going to check it if it needs more. And see you then. Okay, so they are done. So if we want to know if it, so test it like that. And this have to be clean. If it's not, it means that it still need to go inside. Now we see. Okay, so it's done. It's a really easy way to do a cake while we are bored sitting at home. For the kids and for everybody, even the kids can do it by themselves. So don't forget subscribe, like, and share this video for all of your friends, and bye.